now that we have our basic third-person character imported into our new project, we can now start building our level. Now, it's up to you. You can go through and sort of delete all of these landscapes, or we could just sort of build a level sort of within it. You can use the landscape if you want, or you could maybe build like an interior. But what we can do is we can press on this button here that will let us add things into the project, and we can add shapes, and then we can have cubes, and you'll see it's now sort of spawned a cube in the area. What we can do is we can use these arrows to move it in whatever directions we want. And if you see here, there's this little sort of cube within it. And if you highlight that, it'll let you move it in like 2 directions at once. Whenever the arrows are highlighted yellow, it means that you can move it. And if you go like dead in the center, so let me do it, you can sort of move it in all directions relative to where the camera's facing. Up here, there are some buttons where you can sort of change the controls. So right now we've got the translate mode selected, which lets us move them in sort of 3 cardinal directions. But then we can also rotate our objects, do that in any way we want. And we can also scale the objects, so we can make them elongated, we can make walls and things. Same principle where we can sort of scale it in multiple directions if we want to. And we can scale the whole thing all at once if we sort of select in the middle. So this is how we're going to be sort of creating our scenes. So I want you to just have a go at sort of importing some objects and maybe building some platforms, build a little level, have some obstacles in the scene. And then once you've done that, we will be able to move on to the next part of the tutorial.